What is going on, you guys? Wonder Bro, and there's some big changes coming to the channel, okay? We're not going to talk about that in this video, but as you've seen with the new intro and this new little recording setup that I have, there's some big changes coming to this channel. I really want to dedicate to this channel, and I really want to continue to grow, so just letting you know. Anyway, today we're going to be talking about bad moods, bad times in your life, bad situations. You know, you're just in that bad place. You're just mentally in the dumps. What can you do about that? What do you need to remember when it comes to those bad moods, those bad times in your life? The one thing that you really need to grab a hold of and understand is this is a temporary thing. It's very easy for us to forget the good times. It's very easy for us to forget those confident moments. It's very easy, for us to forget those good nights that we've had. It's very easy for us to forget everything good in our life when we are in those bad moods, when we are in the grip of those emotions, those feelings. And we tend to trick ourselves into believing that this is it. This is life now, and this is how it's always going to be. And, we forget about all the good. So the first thing you need to understand when going through a difficult situation in your life, a difficult time, terrible mood, if you're down in the dumps, is that this is not your life. This is a temporary passing. We tend to forget that this is a temporary thing when we're in it. So don't forget that. The second thing I would like to say is, if you're going through a really, really rough time in your life, you need to remember that you are stronger than you think you are, okay? You've been through a lot of shit in your life, I'm sure, in the past, and, chances are you'll go through some shit in the future, and you're going through some shit now, maybe. But you can overcome it, This time will pass, and good times are on the way. You have to remember that. This is a temporary, passing, fleeting mood, and you have to remember that you can survive. You can survive. At the end of the day, it may feel like, you're just so close to giving up. You're so close to just calling it quits. But if you take a step back, just let these emotions and these feelings be there. Accept them for what they are. Temporary, remember that. Temporary passing feelings, emotions, moods, and just let them be as is. Don't add any mental commentary. Don't add any mental struggle. Just go with the flow. You'll see that, this is here to pass. You can learn from it. You can grow from it. And that's another thing I want to say. Take advantage. Take advantage of the bad times in your life to grow from them, to learn from them, to use the acceptance method that we preach on the channel, which, does apply to feelings too, not just anxiety. Use acceptance to take a step back and separate yourself from feelings in the mind, because you are not these things. You are greater than these things, and just let these things flow right through you. So take advantage of the bad times in your life and grow from them. You'll be glad you did. All right, you guys. So if you're going through a difficult time in your life, you're going to make it. As you guys probably know by now, I'm going through a difficult time in my life. With the breakup and everything going on, it's a difficult time. That's difficult for anybody, and I'm just using this opportunity as a chance to grow, to teach myself, to separate myself from feelings and the mind, and just to learn how to go with the flow even better than I already do. And just take this opportunity to take a step back and just be the witness, the observer, the accepting, allowing observer, and watch how this transforms your suffering into peace. That's what I'm doing. So I felt like this was an appropriate video to make, especially at this time, and I hope you guys, continue to bear with me. I want to get back into videos. It's been like 4 or 5 days since I've uploaded, which is unusual for me most of the time, but it's just a difficult point in my life, and I'm getting there. And thank you all, okay, I want to say this, thank you all for your support on the Facebook page. You guys are reaching out to me like crazy, and it means a ton to me. There's nothing really anyone can say to get me past this. It's just going to take time, but the thought still means so much to me. So thank you guys. Don't worry about me. I'm going to get there. I'm just going to ride these waves as they come and they go, and I'm going to use it as a chance to grow. And, I urge you guys to do the same if you're going through a difficult situation in your life right now, or, if you find yourself in one in the future. Anyway, you guys, thanks for being here. Let's continue to grow this family. Check out the new Wonder Bro website, wonderbroyo.com. We have a mental health forum on there, chat room on there, all kinds of good stuff on there. Go check it out and join us if you haven't already. Like, subscribe, share. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WonderBroYo. I think I've got everything covered. Anyway, I love you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. This family is growing like crazy. I'm going to get out of here, and I'm going to be okay. All right? I'm going to be okay. I love you guys. Stay awesome. stay awesome.